and welcome to SBG Support Center. With the help of my colleagues from the Technical Support Department, we are going to see in this series of videos how to configure a high-performance INS. In the first part, we are going to focus on SBG Web Interface, and in the next one, we are going to show you how to configure your device. Let's begin. So first you're going to take your SBG INS, connect it to your computer through an Ethernet cable, then open a web browser page. Here you will insert the project line name _ serial number .local. And you can also have access to this page by using SBG Center. Here you will click on Connect the selected device, refresh, select the device, then press Connect. And now let's click on Configure the selected device, which will redirect us to the same page. So here you can navigate through various tabs that displays real-time measurements and tools to monitor status of your sensor. If you click on this icon, you will have a quick access to SBG Support Center, where you will find our documentation and a lot of manuals. In Login, there is different right access. The viewer can monitor the device status and download files from the data logger. The operator can use the data logger. He can start or stop it, or reboot the device, but he can change the settings. Setup manages initial INS installation and configuration and can also change other users' passwords. And finally, Factory is a specific role reserved for SBG systems to perform maintenance operations. All users' accounts don't need a password, except for the factory profile. However, it's possible to create one and change it in order to restrict access rights. So by default, when you receive a unit, no password is defined. You can log in using an empty password and then change it. And the last icon gives you access to the configuration menu, and we will talk about it in the next video. Let's go back to the main page. General displays main information in real time about the device. In status, you can monitor health of your device and solution status. General gives you general health information. IMU is about sensor communication and health. GPS1 status of the GNSS receiver. Solution displays the solution mode with different quality indicators and the add-in used for the solution. Add-in inputs shows you if you are receiving correctly information of add-in inputs. Interfaces shows input-output status. And finally, clock displays status of internal clocks and synchronization. Let's move now to calibration. This tab gives you access to an embedded tool used to calibrate GNSS antenna lever arm and misalignment of the true hidden compared to the sensor alignment. For more details, you can watch our video about calibration, which is available on SBG Support Center website. In information, you have device, firmware, and network details. And then, in internal data logger, you can start or stop logging your data and name a session. You also have access to FTP details to download logs via FileZilla, web browser, or Windows Explorer. This last section displays raw data collected by the INS in real time and the output of the Kalman filter following its process. This is the end of this part. In the next one, we will see how to configure your device.